Oh my gosh, Liz.
Ah, the cake!
Because this whole cake was so heavy, it just tipped off the back.
Forget it, forget it, forget it.
It still has a crack in this side that's freaking me out a little bit.
And all of a sudden...
Oh, what in the hell?
Oh, fudge!
Oh my God.
Zombie queen.
Guys, I'm putting the flames on, all right? It's time to move the sugar flames in the front. The clock's winding down. I'm feeling pretty good. You know, I think we actually have a chance to win this. We're running out of time.
We are running out of time.
I know, I gotta... What am I gonna do now? I've spent hours on these flames. This is a nightmare.
Oh my God. I'm gonna get back to doing the sculpting and stuff of the cake and everything.
Oh my God. Just shattered.
Oh my God, Kristoff!
Don't talk to me.
I'm so sorry.
Let's put them on right here.
Okay.
Here we go.
And this is right. Gosh. What did you do? 37 minutes.
Trudy, we don't have time. Please.
Not quite sure that we're gonna get everything on the piece,
Oh, that looks awesome.
but we just push ourselves as far as we can possibly go.
Orly,
Oh my God,
you
Orly!
spent an hour on that.
Ugh. Orly is dropped. One of the biggest beakers that shatters everywhere.
I think it's got a good curve.
He needs specific proportions from the curve of the pumpkin in order to create the right shape. Ah! What was that?
I don't think we can fix that.
Man, this thing is delicate, and we only got one shot at this.
Robert, come around here and hold this. Let's pop this in here, nice and easy. Touch this level here, and it'll pop in.
We're inching it up, we're inching it up. It clicks in just right. We think it's perfect.
Can you just
on.
hold the back?
I mean,
Oh my God. Ooh! Did that just really freaking happen?
No.